Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do fundamental technical analysis on a Forex pair, or for that sake, any stock or crypto, any of them, using Claude Code, and have an entire strategy set up right within Excel using Claude Code. So the whole intent is that Claude Code is so powerful, but rarely many people know how to use this. So I'm going to show you the power. Hopefully, you get you introduced into this topic. And before I move on to the video, I just want to know, hey, my name is Kunaal Naik. I am the founder and creator of AI Agent Mastermind or Data Science Masterminds. I have good experience in terms of deploying AI agents in multiple enterprise setup. And Claude Code is really exciting because it's really truly agentic in multiple ways. Can't be more excited to try a lot of use cases around this. I also run a community, paid community, where many individuals like Vandana and Shiva and many of them just come here and create agents to no coding experience. And you can see this, these are the number of individuals that have done this with me. So if you want to experience what I do live, register for my free masterclass. I'll place a link in the comment section below. And now let's move on to the Claude Code aspect of it. So I'm just going to reduce the size here. And the way that we are going to be beginning is, you see, look, Claude Code is a lot powerful and it can do a lot of activities. And one of the skills that we are focusing on is Claude Code's Excel skills. So it has a lot of Excel skills. It can do a lot of things. But mind you, this is an agent, so it can basically search the internet, pass the data, both do calculations, write code, and various other things. So to be able to understand all that, you need to know what an agent is capable of and be able to do it. And hopefully in this one, you'll be able to see how we can do that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to expand this area, and we have no data whatsoever here. In fact, if you have some data about your own tricks and all that, you can place it here, but I'm just going to begin with this so that anybody can follow along and do this. So the way that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to say, okay, do a technical and fundamental analysis of, okay, so this is fundamental analysis of where XAUUSD, that is spot gold, will move in the next 3/6/9 months. Okay. Also the impact of geopolitical factors that influence the rate of gold. Okay. So do all of that. And so I gave the prompt, and the whole idea is if you give the entire prompt, the prompt is going to take care of all the background and doing the research and all that. And like we just got to sit and do nothing mostly after this. But just going to say enter. And by the way, what Claude Code is doing right now, Claude Code usage, March 2026. So there is, Claude really amped up the usages of Claude Code. So it's the right time to get in and try it out. And they are giving like 2x usage boost outside the working hours, right? So from March 30 to 28, and you can sort of get it. It's into the free plan, pro plan, all the other plans that is available, and you can pretty much work from 5:30 to 11:30 p.m. With the double X the charge, right? So that's really the power of Claude now. Good time to get it. Anyway, so what's happening right now? We gave the prompt. It's essentially now looking up all the information, and if you can notice here, right, it's searching this information, right? So execute today's price 10 results, gold price technical analysis, and then it can do more searches. Iran conflict, central bank buying 2026 results. So as you can see, 10 results, 10 results, 10 results, and it's able to get all the information, right? So it got the data first, and now it's going to essentially doing the comprehensive analysis of how this is done. Now let me know in the comment section what you think, how accurate these results will be. Now I don't promise that these results will be accurate, but at least it's getting the good leg of work. The way that I can see is that if you have some intel or some idea on how you trade, you can provide that information here, and you can say, okay, use this information, do the analysis. So that's how it works. Let's see what Claude Code agents can spin up and do this part of it. So essentially what's happening is that it's going to now run codes, various types of codes, that is VBA codes, to be able to populate the details within, right? So you can see here some of these things it is writing, and at some point it can also write Python code to be able to do some stuff, right? So let's see what it is doing. Yeah, look at all of this. So it's doing all the code, it's renaming the sheets and all that other stuff while we go ahead and just sit and do nothing. Okay, now at some point it will say permission required, so you will see that clear range and all that potential losses. So anytime it's deleting something, it need to be able to take a permission. So I'm just going to dangerously allow it for right now, and if you don't know, just keep on clicking allow every time. You don't want to get deleted stuff with abasing work. Okay, so okay, now let's look at it. I'm going to go to this XAU gold and see if it is doing gold analysis. Okay, now there we go, right? So it's starting to populate the details. As you can see, it's getting the price, 52-week range, YTD 20 plus 20%. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. It's putting all the values there, current metric values, and one thing it does not get right is this default formatting of it, but we can fix it later on. Anyway, so it's doing all this, and it's doing all the snapshot, technical analysis, technical indicator summary, right? So it's structured bull market intact. Yes, short-term correction is there, so you can buy in the dips, and fundamental analysis. So bearish, mostly more of the different factors are causing it to be bearish. And let's see what else is doing. Well, there you go, geopolitical risk factors, Gulf War, Strait of Hormuz, Russia, US, trade wars, financial. So it's basically doing all of verdict, right? So fundamental analysis, 8 factors are bullish, right? So which is very strong bullish momentum. Now it's going to look at the geopolitical factors. Technical verdict is a bull market, fundamental is bull market. Now let's see geopolitical, what are the factors that it has. So as you can see, like pretty much we can type what we want and it's just going to go ahead and get it done. Okay, now yes, it will require some training. I know some skeptics will be there like, but this will not work and that will not work. But yeah, it's a beginning, right? Like this kind of analysis was never thought of, typically held for only consulting firms. So there you go, investment bank forecasts, many of them, all major banks have a consensus saying that all major banks says it's going to be bullish, 3 to 6 months, 9 months, all of the cases that are available here, right, of what kind of scenarios is going to show up within this, right? So we can expect it at a bull case, we can expect it to go well beyond 6,000 also. There we go. Investing strategy, zone 1, right? Current consolidation, good entry point if you have no position. Zone 2, attractive risk reverse. Zone 3, zone fold. Stop loss reasons at 3900, whatever it is, right? So there we go, all allocations that are available here, and it's giving the risk scenarios also. So it doing all of this analysis by researching and writing the content down. And let me know how the formatting is, guys, because back in the days I used to have a very weird way of formatting, but as you can see here, this guy Claude has formatted everything very nicely also, right? So you can see here the current market snapshot, completely crazy in terms of what it is given, right? And it's going to delete some old sheet, freeze header rows and stuff like that, right? So cleaning the sheets and all that, which we typically do it. Okay, so yeah, it was able to do that entire work that is there, and finally it is able to complete it. Again, it gave a disclaimer, right? This analysis for information purposes, not to consume, because again, Claude wants to be really careful on how people use this material. But it gave me that entire analysis, and if you look at some of the verdicts that are there, I'm not going to go too much into details here. That's up to you to play around. But you can, if you just look at the levels here, right? Zone 1 light buy, right? So around 4,900. Currently it's trending on. So if I just look at the charts that we have here, currently around 4,900 ish. Okay, so it's trending here, and start accumulating, right? So around 25% planned here, and then increase a position at 35. If it's going below again at this particular thing, add more 40%. Hold zone is from right now. If you have an entry, hold it, do not chase, and then partial profit, book at 5,600, and then trim for 15-20% of the position here, right? Stop loss is below 3,900. So it's given me a good part of it. I can just go ahead here and I already am entered at 3000 here. I have entered around this level 3999 around. So I have that entry already here, and I can keep loading more if I want to, or exit at 5600 levels that is available here, right? So it can go potential to 6000. So good, for anybody who's there, and if it goes down, you can further have some more entry points that you want. Okay, that's how you do technical analysis and stuff like that, which will give you all the backing information required for doing that. Let me know what do you think about this kind of a use case, disrupting the market in terms of doing the analysis. What are the alternate risks and things that we can potentially see, or hallucinations if you have? Let me put down your thought in the comment section so that I know, and we can develop this use case further. Look, I know this may be not a foolproof method, but it is an extremely good starting point for anybody who wants to do that. And for those who have done trading in the past, having this kind of information readily to take a decision for long-term trading is incredibly insane. In fact, what you can do here is come back a week later and say refresh this analysis, and it's going to just refresh this entire part of it again and give you a fresh analysis. That's really, really cool. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this one.